Okay, I am making ground turkey meatballs. So you get those tubes, they're about that big around, Genio, ground turkey. I usually get the leaner kind. There's two kinds, one that's more lean than the other. I usually pay the extra money and get the more lean meat. I'm a big fan of lean meats. You get a tube of that. You put some breadcrumbs and some, which has the seasonings and everything in it, really. Breadcrumbs and a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, and a couple eggs in a bowl. And then you get you put all of the ground turkey in it, and you just work it with your hands until it's all just one substance. Then you pat them into balls, and then you throw them on this to grill them. So ground meat, ground turkey, ground beef needs to be 155 degrees. Like if it was a chicken breast, it would need to be 165. So it's actually 5. Anyway, so I get my thermometer, which I need to recalibrate. It's been probably too long, but it's alright. I'm going to temp the meatball, and I already know that it's not going to be good where it needs to be. You get this camera out of the heat or it'll stop working. Looks like we're at about 180. Okay, so it needs to be at 550 or 555. I'm sorry. So they're not done yet, but you can see that. I didn't think they were done. So I'm gonna cook these. I've got a half a cup of the brown rice. I've got some chicken gravy over there. I've got some zucchini cut up. So I'm just going to keep turning these. Like one side I overcooked it a little bit. That'll actually be delicious the way these turn out because of the breadcrumbs in it. So I'm going to keep messing with these until they get cooked. Okay, the meatballs temp just fine. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I did 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so I have an odd number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to eat the extra one right now. Sorry, it's hot. I'm going to give me 3 of them today, and then cooked meat, of course, you can keep it longer in your fridge. There, 4 meatballs for another time. Now I'm going to put the zucchini on the plate. The zucchini was sauteed in olive oil and my go-to Greek seasoning. If I wanted to be hot, I've got Kroll seasoning and Slap Yo Mama seasoning or Greek seasoning. So I have like 3 go-tos. Okay, now I'm going to get the chicken gravy. I always like to put black pepper on top of my gravy. There. Meatballs, rice, and fried zucchini with leftovers.